I've been in Pakistan for 30 years now, almost. So, but in 30 years I don't learn Urdu. It's a pity.
More than a week ago. We will stay for another 10 days about, and from now we will try to cross the Ozai with this weather. Hope we will successful. And thanks a lot to the Astor people that helps so much for the expedition. And thank you everybody. Thanks a lot.
To cross the Ozai in winter. And the second is to leave the points for other groups that maybe in the future want to try the same way. So we leave to the Ministry of Tourism a map of our trail, and then if other people want to come. The other point is that is a demonstration that also in winter the people can come in Pakistan, in Gilgit-Baltistan. That is really very nice place where we can also trek in winter with the skis. And I say thank you to all of you because today and yesterday was incredible. Your festival, your songs, your music, dance, everything is fantastic. Thank you so much. Pakistan is always